Is your home starting to get colder than it should? Do you sense there is something wrong? Don't wait. Get a qualified technician in your home right away. With Barry Furnace Repair, you can expect an accurate diagnosis and repair quickly. Barry Furnace Repair is dedicated to providing reliable service at a reasonable price. Fully licensed, you will feel good knowing that your furnace is being maintained with safety in mind. Barry Furnace Repair services the Simcoe County area. Please call at 705-279-9722 if you need assistance.